Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking to pamper and care for your skin, then you are going to love this skincare set from MIZON.
This is a three-piece 24 karat gold snail skincare set. You heard me right, snail. This comes with three amazing products. First, we have this hydrogel eye patch that is snail and gold, and this ampoule, which is a snail repair intensive ampoule that has this famous snail filtrate. It is so luxurious and it has a concentration of snail mucin extract that really helps regenerate the skin and resolves a lot of complex skin problems. It is so luxurious, and I really enjoy how hydrating it is for the skin. And lastly, there is the moisturizer. It's an all-in-one snail repair cream with 92% of the snail slime mucin that really helps boost skin cell regeneration and can diminish fine lines, scars, and wrinkles, which is super important when you are caring for your skin and you want your skin to look as young and revitalized as possible. I have really found this set to be easy to add into my nightly and daily routine, and my skin has been so happy and feels so luxurious when I use this product. I am a huge fan of these.
So give your skin the golden treatment and get this skincare set. You are going to love it and your skin will thank you. And that is my point of view.